Hello. Today we're going to talk about routines, decluttering, and repeating. That's our system. It is to do your routines every day. Morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, clutter stops where you do a little pick up, don't pass up 3 times a day. Pick it up, don't pass it up. After dinner routine, before bed routine. Those routines happen every day or almost every day. Paper doesn't happen every day, it happens 6 days a week. And then the decluttering is the decluttering in your zone. And that's going to happen every 4 days a week, or if you're a payroll, 1 day a week in 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 days a week, or 1 hour on Saturday. And then we're going to repeat. You have to repeat. If you don't repeat, it's going to stop happening for you and your house is going to get messy. Have a good day.